Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with Mr. Bond. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. It's great to have you with us again.
Today's lesson is all about something we all do every single day, talking about your day.
That's right. In this episode, you'll learn how to describe your morning, your workday, and your evening in simple English.
This topic is very practical because you can use it every day with friends, teachers, or new people you meet.
And as always, we'll speak slowly and clearly so you can listen, repeat, and practice shadowing with us.
Before we start, remember to subscribe and download today's worksheet from the description. You can follow along and practice the same sentences at home.
And please, share this episode with your friends who are learning English too. The more people practice together, the faster everyone improves.
Absolutely. So, Tom, are you ready to talk about your day?
I'm ready, Anna. Let's go.
Let's begin with the morning. Tom, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock, sometimes a little earlier if I have a busy day.
7 sounds nice. After you wake up, what do you do first?
First, I get out of bed and stretch. It helps my body wake up. Then I go to the bathroom.
Good routine. I do something similar. I brush my teeth and wash my face right after getting up. It makes me feel fresh.
Same here. Then I go to the kitchen to make coffee. I can't start my day without coffee.
Me too. I make tea sometimes, but coffee is my favorite in the morning.
What about breakfast, Anna? Do you eat before work?
Yes, I do. I like something simple, maybe toast, eggs, or fruit, and of course, my tea.
Let's teach some verbs together.
Great idea.
Wake up. That means to stop sleeping. Say it with us. Wake up.
Get up. That means to leave the bed. Say it with us. Get up.
Brush my teeth.
Wash my face.
Make coffee.
Eat breakfast.
Now let's practice these in short sentences. Repeat after us. I wake up at 7.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
Excellent. You're doing great. Now, we have someone special joining us today to share her own morning routine.
Yes! Let's welcome Mary. Hi, Mary.
Hi, Anna. Hi, Tom. Hi, everyone. I'm happy to be here.
We're glad to have you. So, Mary, tell us about your morning.
Sure. On weekdays, I wake up at 6 o'clock because my job starts early. First, I get out of bed and open the window. I like fresh air in the morning. Then I go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, and wash my face. After that, I make a cup of coffee. I love the smell of coffee.
Me too. What do you have for breakfast, Mary?
My breakfast is simple, usually toast with butter and jam, and of course, my coffee. Then I get dressed for work.
What time do you leave your house?
Around 7. I take the bus to work. The ride takes about 30 minutes.
That's a good time to listen to music or maybe our podcast.
Yes, exactly. I often listen to Learn English with Mr. Bond on the bus.
So, Mary, what happens when you get to work?
I arrive at work around 7:30. I work in an office. First, I check my emails and make a list of my tasks.
That's a good habit. I also like to plan my day before starting work.
Me too. Planning helps me stay organized. What do you do after that, Mary?
I start my main work on the computer. Sometimes I have meetings with my coworkers.
Meeting. That's a useful word. Repeat with us. Meeting.
Meeting. Great.
Around noon, I have lunch. I usually eat with my coworkers. We talk, laugh, and relax a bit before going back to work.
That sounds nice. What do you eat for lunch?
Sometimes a sandwich, sometimes a salad. I like light food at lunchtime.
That's healthy. And after lunch?
I work until about 4:30 or 5 p.m. Then I finish my tasks and prepare to go home.
Perfect.
Let's help our listeners review the key phrases for work. Arrive at work.
Have a meeting.
Send emails.
Eat lunch.
Finish work.
Great job.
Tom, what about you? What's your workday like?
I arrive around 9. I check my emails, record new episodes, and sometimes edit scripts.
That's a busy day. My work is similar. I prepare lessons and reply to students' messages.
So after a busy workday, it's time to relax, right?
Exactly. Let's move to the evening.
After work, I usually go home around 5:30. When I get home, I like to sit on the sofa for a few minutes and rest.
That's important. I also relax when I get home. Sometimes I listen to music or read a little before dinner.
Do you cook dinner every night, Anna?
Most nights, yes. I like cooking simple meals, rice with vegetables or pasta with sauce.
Sounds delicious. I like to make soup or sometimes order pizza. Everyone loves pizza.
True. Let's invite Mary again. Mary, what about your evenings?
After work, I take the bus home. I arrive around 5 o'clock. First, I change my clothes and relax for a bit. I usually read or watch TV. Around 6:30, I make dinner. I enjoy cooking. Sometimes I try new recipes. After dinner, I wash the dishes. Then I spend time with my family. We talk or we watch a movie together.
That sounds wonderful. And what time do you go to bed?
Around 10:30. Before bed, I take a shower and read a book. Reading helps me sleep well.
That's a great routine, Mary.
Let's review the key evening verbs together. Repeat after us. Relax.
Cook dinner.
Eat dinner.
Wash the dishes.
Watch TV.
Go to bed.
Now, let's say them slowly in sentences. I relax after work.
I cook dinner at 6.
I wash the dishes.
I go to bed at 10. Excellent practice.
And remember, in some countries, dinner is early, like 6 o'clock, but in others, people eat later, around 8.
Yes, culture makes routines different, but the English words stay the same.
Let's review everything we learned today.
We talked about what we do in the morning, at work, and in the evening.
Let's say the verbs together. Ready?
Wake up. Get up. Brush teeth. Eat breakfast. Go to work. Have lunch. Relax. Cook dinner. Go to bed. Sleep. Excellent.
Now, let's make short sentences. Repeat after us. I wake up at 7.
I brush my teeth.
I go to work at 9.
I have lunch at 12.
I relax in the evening.
I go to bed at 10.
Fantastic. Now let's practice questions and answers.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10.
What do you do in the evening?
I cook dinner and watch TV.
Mary, how about you? What's your favorite part of the day?
My favorite part is the evening because I can relax and spend time with my family.
That's lovely. I think many people feel the same.
Remember, English questions often start with what, when, where, or how.
And don't worry about small mistakes. The more you practice, the more natural you'll sound.
Try shadowing this episode several times this week. Repeat the phrases out loud.
Repetition builds confidence and fluency.
You're doing amazing. Keep going. Great job today, everyone. You've learned so many useful phrases for describing your day.
You've learned so many useful phrases for describing your day.
Now you can tell people about your morning, your work, and your evening in English.
Remember, even 10 minutes of daily English practice makes a big difference.
Yes. Listen again, repeat with us, and use these sentences in real life.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Learn English with Mr. Barn for more fun and easy lessons.
And don't forget to download today's worksheet from the description. You can use it to review and write your own daily routine.
Share this episode with a friend who's also learning English. Learning together is always more fun.
And tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up? What do you do in the evening?
We'll read some of your answers in the next episode.
Keep smiling, keep learning, and keep speaking English every day.
See you next time on Learn English with Mr. Barn.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.